In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on and use VoiceOver. This will be a basic tutorial for those that need it. So what you need to do is head over to your phone's settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down and you'll see accessibility, which will be one under general. Once you've done that, you'll see vision and then VoiceOver should be the first one. You can go ahead and click on that and then we can go ahead and turn it on by just enabling it at the top.
VoiceOver on, settings, accessibility.
Now once you've done that, you're going to hear your phone start talking to you. Now here's some quick tips and things that you can do to use VoiceOver. So to scroll up and down on the screen, you need to hold your 3 fingers on the screen and then you can scroll up and down. But just know that when you do any entry or input, it is going to be delayed because it wants to make sure that is the correct input. So you put your 3 fingers on the screen and then you just swipe like usual. So we can swipe up
6 to 21 of 21.
And we can swipe down.
Rows 1 to 10 of 21.
Now to go home, we go to the bottom of the phone and we can swipe up until you feel a vibration and then it will take you home. Now you can swipe left or right.
Phone. What?
And it's going to then go through your apps, you can probably hear it, in the order that they appear. Then when you want to click on any app, you just have to make sure you've got the app selected, which you can do by just clicking. And then once the app is selected, you can then double click and it will take you into
Settings,
the app.
VoiceOver, switch.
You can also, if you know kind of the area where your apps are, you can just click on them and you can also access them that way. But swiping left or right is probably the easiest way. Anything to do with swiping up and down the page or left and right, you need to use your 3 fingers to swipe. So as you would usually swipe left to go to the next page, you need to do it with 3 fingers and swipe left, and then it will recognize that as a swipe, and then you can get to the next page. Then to open up an app, again, double click, and then it will open that app. Thank you for watching. I hope that was useful and a quick introduction.